cut the music up.
150. Last time, the ditches were empty.
Oh, you're taping it. I'm saying.
Look. Now the ditches are completely, almost full, completely. And last time I checked, they weren't. They weren't even full.
You need to get better pictures by going outside in the rain. You should be dedicated to your craft. You want an umbrella?
It will get my camera messed up.
That's why you need an umbrella.
That's stupid. The wind's gonna blow
I
it.
got a great big golf umbrella out.
The wind's. Yeah, you gonna go out and get it?
Yeah.
150 something. The rain's picking up, and you can see on the street.
We're gonna die. We're doomed. We're doomed.
You're so stupid. You know, the rain and the leaves on the street. And, oh my God!
We're gonna die.
No! The trash can's all the way in the front yard! The trash can's in the front yard!
Can you go get that?
That's serious. I might have to go out there.
It's not. It's okay. It's not even bad.
It's right there.
You can't even see it without really getting in the corner.
It's all.
Put this upstairs, and I'll be back down to be with you while
So, 155, and I can't see out the windows.
We're doomed. We're doomed.
And my mom's stupid. I can't see out the back window. See, now it's getting worse because I can't see out the window. It's 2:25. Trees are going crazy. It's 2:25. The ditches are overflowing into the yard almost. Oh. And there's a puddle under the tree. It's 3:20.
We may have to have spaghetti and garlic bread.
Raining horizontally. The the leaves are blowing. It's about 3:20 something.
Garage, and it's really nasty out there.
Make spaghetti and garlic.
For someone.
I'm gonna move the trash can over by the side.
Be very careful.
It is 4:05, and it's getting raining more. More wind. The trash can is still up front, and then one of the chairs that was closer to the back of the yard flew all the way forward. Leaves are just falling down, flying all over the place. As you can see across the road, branches are down all out in the front of their house. The leaves cover the street.
5 after 5.
So it's 5-5.
I got another whole
So across the street, still a lot of leaves and stuff down. The winds are blowing. Still raining. A lot of raking to do soon. The water is going down. In everybody's yard, the water's going down. In the ditches. The wind's still blowing.
Rotating in from the northeast and moving to the southwest, that's where we have these strong bursts of wind coming down, and the gusts between 50 and 60 miles per hour at times here in Metro Richmond and much of central Virginia, especially
50 to 60 miles per hour.
They're good winds in Richmond. The outer bands are really hitting Richmond. The way they're coming, they're really hitting
We can
Richmond.
have them do that.
Well, we are. We're getting
Storm conditions being experienced here in central Virginia with all
the
that
pictures
heavy
I saw.
rain continuing to
Richmond
soak the
and
ground
Houston
loosen up
back
the ground.
about
That's
the
why
same
we're seeing
thing.
more of the trees starting to come down around the area. Here's
When the
circulation
trees are
right
blowing
now,
like crazy.
north and west of Nag's Head. That's where the actual center of the storm is. This is the northwestern eye wall. It will be interesting to see what kind of winds they see in Norfolk, because this strong convection here in the northwestern eye wall, we could see some hurricane force winds, certainly in gusts in Norfolk and Virginia Beach as this continues to lift to the north.
Okay,
The
let's see
actual
what-
center is moving to the north-northeast, so it may actually move just slightly.
No! Stop.
Don't do that.
Leave it on.
You scared the pee out of us.
I'm putting.
79, which is where 64 and 195 branch off. So there was a tree down there, and then there was one down near the tower line. Also Mountain Roadway, right there on the side. Causing people some problems.
It's hard to see because it's so. 5:20.
That was very good. Thank you.
Well, it was maybe not the best, but it was an option.
6:10.
We're gonna die.
It's raining and the ditches are refilling. They were down a little bit, now they're refilling
We're
up.
gonna die.
More leaves down. More stuff across the street. The rain's still going. The aftermath. There's a plate. Oh, in my front yard. I don't know where it came from. There's leaves everywhere. Branches down. Sticks and twigs everywhere. Big branches down. Branches down. Mostly branch. Right there. Over here, big branches down. Twigs down.